Do you want a nice toned and beautiful body? You don't always need equipment or a gym subscription to work out. You can use your own body weight as an excellent equipment for a full body workout. Here are 5 simple exercises to shape your body. Number 1 is plank. Plant your hands under your shoulder or slightly wider apart. Squeeze your glutes. Keep your body in a straight line from the top of your head throughout your feet. Tighten your core. Tuck your chin. Fix your gaze on the floor either between or just beyond your hands. Number 2 is squat. Position your feet somewhere between hip and shoulder width apart. Turn your toes out as needed to accommodate flexibility through the movement. Keep your chest tall. Look ahead and slightly up. Be sure your knees are tracking in line with your toes. Squat as deep as your flexibility allows. Number 3 is squat jump. Squat until your thighs and parallel with the floor. Keep your chest up. Hold your arms straight in front of you as you squat, pushing them behind your back as you jump. Jump as high as you can. Exhale as you jump. Land softly. Number 4 is jumping lunge. Keep your front knee at 90 degrees. Lunge as low as flexibility allows without the back knee touching the floor. Maintain a vertical torso. Keep your weight evenly distributed between your front and back foot. Jump to switch your foot positioning. Front foot goes back foot goes front. Coordinate arm movement so that the front arm pumps forward while the opposite leg lunges back. Number 5 exercise is single leg deadlift. Maintain a flat back. Keep your core tight. Keep your weight evenly distributed in your planted leg. Raise one leg straight behind you, keeping your toes pointed down as you bend forward, hinging at the hips. Bend only as low as your flexibility allows. Pull yourself back to standing using the hamstring of your planted leg.